Welcome to Utah, where my dreams come true. In this episode, we tackle an incredible dream trail featuring over 30 thrilling water crossings. Along the way, we discover the perfect camping spot that feels straight out of a postcard. And as we make our way back home to Arizona, we'll explore the breathtaking beauty of southern Utah. Get ready for an adventure filled with unforgettable moments. Here we go. So, I made the drive from Flagstaff to southern Utah, and what's really cool is that it's nighttime, obviously, but I love driving into spots that you've never been to at night, and then you wake up to whatever you got to in the morning. So I'm really excited to see what camp spot we choose tonight, and it's gonna be nothing special, but tomorrow's gonna be real special, so get ready. Here we go. Let's go. All right, YouTube, so I got to the trail, and initially there's a lot of river spots that you can camp at, but there are a lot of people out here with RVs and stuff, so I'm gonna push it a little further. I think I'm gonna do some river crossings, try to find a spot where people won't go. Let's see what we can get to. One more thing to note, it has been a dream of mine, a goal, to sleep like right next to the running water of a river. I think I've got the best chance of any on this trail. Let's just go explore it and see if we can find it. Ooh. Well, we found that dream camp spot that I've always been looking for. Right next to the river. I'm gonna fall asleep and wake up to the running water and meet up with our friends. Our friends from Phoenix, CB Offroad Adventures, are coming. They're not gonna get here till like 1:30, 2 o'clock. So they'll be rolling in while I'm sleeping, but this is a dream come true, and the trail hasn't even started. I can see some cliffs around me. I can't wait to see what this is like in the morning. Get ready for some sweet drone footage. Here we go. Let's go to bed. It's late. It's like 12:30. Come on, you're ruining the shot, Luna. But take a look at this. So I'm gonna sleep here. Finn's here. Luna, wherever she wants. But I gotta cuddle my buddy. And I gotta cuddle this baby. Good night, world. I was too excited to wake up to this creek river spot that I probably only slept, I don't know, 4 hours. And that's okay, because I am just like, I'm so excited. It's just, you've been waiting years to do something like this, and yeah, it's okay. I didn't sleep well, but I don't feel like it, because I was just, maybe I'll feel it later today, but right now this is beautiful. Trying to get some coffee going. All right, you guys excited for the day?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should be excited.
I can't wait. All right, everyone. So we are packed up. We're gonna go hit the trail. We're gonna do a bunch of water crossings, and I mean, we couldn't have woken up to a better spot. Running water right next to us, and nice relaxing morning. So here we go. Let's see what we can get into. This is a dream come true. Can't wait.
What are you doing, buddy?
Kind of scary to trust it. We're going for it. Woo! Hit it. Watch out. Watch out. I'm gonna hit you. Whoa, Ken. Whoa, I know. You want up there. Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We have done, I don't know, I lost count of how many river crossings, but we got an obstacle right now. And if you can see Chris back there. We're gonna see how it goes. Chris has got 33s on his 4Runner. I have 32s. And we're gonna see. Woo, Chris! That a boy! Okay. Guys, I'm kind of scared. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby. That was too easy. As we reached a good stopping point, we wanted to have lunch and just enjoy the beautiful spot and weather. It also was a good time to get up the drone and show off some of this amazing and beautiful landscape. It's truly special to have a trail being surrounded by cliff sides, and then to have the river running through it. It's trails like these that inspire you so much and make you just want more. As we made our way back, we checked out the belly of the dragon before we made our way to camp for the night. Alright YouTube, so we left our dream river spot and that trail was absolutely a dream come true. Now we are near Bryce Canyon. In fact, if you guys know anything about Bryce Canyon, we are going to a spot, a very special spot. I don't know anything about it, but never been to it is what I should say, and I think it's going to be really special. Let's go see. I'll take it. Camp for the night, are you kidding me? Overland campers, always amazing. Let's see where it took us this time. What? I'm sorry. How is this possible? I'll take it. Right, Finn? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we're doing this, bud. We're doing this. We found a dream camp spot. Woo! Wow. Little Luna. Woo! Yeah. This is quite the spot, Chris. I mean, this is like another world to me. This is so cool. Hoodoo.
Hoodoo.
And
By Unida.
Hoodoo.
Hoodoo Brewing Company. Or Hoodoo Cold Style Golden Ale.
Hoodoo.
Hoodoo.
Hoodoo. Oh, man. Chris.
It's gorgeous out here.
We did it.
Yes.
Great spot. Thank you for this.
Of course.
Good morning, world. Slept amazing in the bivvy. We've got sunrise and hoodoos upon hoodoos. I mean, have you ever seen a camp spot so beautiful? That is insane. There's even stuff way over there. Well, sadly, we have to leave this amazing dream camp spot, but we're gonna make our way kind of heading back towards Arizona. So we're gonna do a trail called the Cottonwood Canyon Road. Any vehicle can do this during dry weather, and it's absolutely beautiful.
All right, guys, we are on our next piece of Utah dirt. We are at a place called Cottonwood Canyons. And we got Carter over here leading. He's actually been here before, so he's gonna show us around. So stick around with us and adventure along with us.
All right, guys, we are at the next section. Again, like I was saying, we're on Cottonwood Canyon Road. We're about to start it. If any of you are looking to get into this, I would recommend this trail. You can air down, you can get the experience, but it's not gonna be hard. But the views are absolutely amazing. So let's go check it out. Finn! Good morning, guys. We are at camp for our last night. It's the morning. I had a cool spot in mind, but there's a lot of power lines. So we just kept exploring. And we found this spot, and it's really cool. I mean, there's that, which is beautiful. But we're at the Vermilion Cliffs. We're gonna go to White Pocket today. We're at a very flat spot. It's not the most dramatic views, but still amazing. So they wanna go to White Pocket. They've never been. This will be my 3rd time, so it's a privilege every time. We're gonna go check it out. I'm excited. Oh, all right, what a view. So unfortunately, this is the end of our trip. I'm heading back to Flagstaff. Beautiful sunset right here. We're in the Navajo Nation, but this weekend, to sum it up, was a dream weekend. It was a dream come true, all the trails, and I challenged CB Offroads to have them create a dream trip that I get to go on. Until next time, guys.